Hello guys, welcome to the daily late night market analysis video. My name is Apoorv. I daily make educational content videos in English on TradingView and in Hindi on YouTube. Both the links are been given on my open comment based Telegram channel, which looks something like this. You can join me there and you can ask your doubts. We can discuss a lot of trades. So let's start this video without wasting any time. Let's talk about some of our trades given in the last market analysis video or in the last week. So TTK Healthcare was the first stock given 4 days back. This stock was discussed on this big candle, and then after a consolidation of 2 days, I updated the stock on the second day and it has given a 10% momentum from my entry price. Okay, now the second stock is Elecon. I've taken on 4 days back again at this candle, and as you can see, after a consolidation of 2 days and a month inside bar, it has given a very good breakout on the upside. I have booked 70% of my profits and still sitting in my trade. Rushi Decor was the stock that was given specifically on my Telegram. Almost 1700 people have watched Rushi Decor stock on my Telegram. So if you are not one of them, definitely check out the Telegram link given in the description. Okay, the stock went pretty cool. It was at 434 and I updated the price at around 480 near the end of the day. It was almost 8 to 9% momentum that the stock gave, and some people were able to capture it and they DM'd me that yeah, it was a good trade that you have given. So some trades I give on Telegram as well. Okay, these are not calls and these are neither financial advices. Disclaimer is given in the description of this video. Do read it. Now let's start our amazing video. Start our amazing educational video, and if you want the same analysis in Hindi, link is again given on the Telegram only. So join Telegram for all the updates that are happening around us, right? So my first trade will be about Nifty. My first talk will be about Nifty. So if we see Nifty here, then we are at a very crucial level, guys, and that level is this consolidation bar level. We are still sitting, we are still testing this level, and we have tested it twice. Okay, so what can happen now is we can see a momentum on the upside, or we can see a fall first and then a momentum on the upside. So why the momentum on the upside? Because see, the price action looks something like this only to me, that I'm seeing this type of potential in the stock. So what I'm seeing actually is resistance bars on the top and support bars on the bottom, and this stock breaks the bottom, okay, and then comes up. Sorry, this index breaks the bottom and then comes up. Okay, so we haven't broken this particular low, so that's why I have this curiosity that yeah, it can, that there is a possibility that it can go something like this and can close above this line yet again on the weekly time frame. So we are still left with this move. Okay, so that can happen also, that it gets bullish and it is not going to give me that move. Okay, so what we can do is, if you are an investment type of trader, midterm type of trader, positional type of trader, what you can do, so there are two plans that you can execute here. You can go with X by 2 or X by 3 quantity, completely depending upon your choice. So X by 2 quantity or X by 3, I would prefer X by 2 because to the professional traders, and X by 3 to those who are experimenting, who are new to the market at this area. Okay, this is just my own mentality, my own plan. Okay, it's not like that you should follow this or something like that. Okay, this is not advice or something. Okay, definitely consult someone professional from the markets, for the financial markets, right? But what I'm going to follow, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so X by 2 quantity and X by 3 quantity, these are the two types of quantities that I'm going to follow here. And what I'm going to do, if I go with the X by 2 quantity here, okay, then I might get this whole momentum straight up. Now if I'm not getting, then I'm losing only X by 2 quantity, and if it closes above this area, then I'm going to wait for the next momentum above this area. I'm going to see if it closes above this area, I'm going to add X by 2 quantity there. Now if it comes here, closes below this and closes below this again, bearishly with a bearish candle, so I'm not going to put any money. I'm going to take out my X by 2 money. I'm going to take the loss. The loss is only half of half of the whole quantity that I planned, right? So I'm losing only half of the money. Even half of the SLs will be hit, right? Basically half of the amount, that whole SL that I've planned. For example, I've planned 2% loss or 3% loss, so I'm not losing that much. Also, I'm losing only I'm losing only 1.5% to 1% only, and the reason is that I'm making my position size in half. Okay, so this is what you can do. You can go with X by 2 here because of the price action, and if you're reaching the top, you're gaining X by 2. But if market falls, then you accumulate more on the conviction when it comes up, right? So these are two things for the long term type persons, okay, and mid-term type peoples and positional peoples. Now let's talk about the price action here. On the 15-minute time frame, what I'm seeing here is a good positional good swing intraday type of trade. This is a good resistance, so for sure people will sell here. What can happen, it can directly show a good momentum on the higher side because the momentum here is pretty strong. So my ideology, my thinking is, if we open gap down, okay, because we are opening gap down, a bit gap down, let's see how much. 83 points gap down we are opening, so 83 points around this level we are opening, right? So if we are opening somewhere here in the morning, we will I will check the price action again out, and I will put out the charts, put out my charts, whatever chart is compatible with the current market prices of SGX Nifty and Nifty at 9.7 as well. So if we open somewhere here and we crosses this level with power, okay, this is the trade that we are seeing. 16,400 is the perfect target for you guys. Okay, this is the first target. Then we will revise our targets. We are going to take bullish trades only, no short trades. If you are taking any short trades, we will see how the second half is going first, then we will see any trades. First half looks pretty bullish to me. So again, in this also, if we breaks this direct trade, because we are seeing a good momentum in Bank Nifty, so I think that we can, in the push of Nifty, in the push of the market, we can see this jerk momentum, that we can say that a sudden momentum on the higher side in the consolidation the whole day, something like this can happen. So I'm planning for that only. Okay, so these are my two trades for indexes. Let's talk about sorry, let's talk about some intraday trades as well. So happiest mind will be the first trade. Again, consolidated, it gapped up. This trade we discussed in the last market analysis video. Okay, so it came back to this area, giving support back to this area. Okay, now what I'm seeing here is, if it comes back up and breaks 925, this is a long trade. Else, if it closes something like this, it's a short trade. So it's still a long and short trade. As we can see, it gapped up and filled the gap and fell like anything. So most of my ideology will be on the short type. Now if you are shorting it here, okay, and the market gets bullish, okay, so you have to see that also. If the market gets bearish, then short this particular trade and try to capture this much momentum in happiest mind, okay, and try to see this stock sinking with the Nifty. If the Nifty is falling in the second half, definitely short it, okay, at your own risk, of course, at your own position sizing, and if your setup applies. Now second trade will be Bajaj Finance, completely Nifty dependent trade. If Nifty shorts up in the first half, this is the trade that we are gonna take, because this will be the first trade. As you can see, Nifty fell, okay, if you check, Nifty fell here as well, but it fell the whole day. But here in Bajaj Finance, I'm seeing a gap down and then a consolidation the whole day, and then it gapped up the next day as well. So I'm seeing that if this line, this small line is being broken, so we're going to take the trade till this particular area. A small intraday trade can be made up till 5,950 points. Okay, the next trade will be Bharti Airtel, and the reason is that after a huge fall, the stock has shown pretty good strength at these levels, important levels. Okay, so it has regained this demand zone back again and consolidating here. So if you see a breakdown of this area, I'm gonna short it, but again same thing, you need to see the market is bearish. If this is going down and the market is going up, so you need to go either with X by 2 quantity. Okay, if you're going with 2 lots, go with 1 lot only. If you are going with 200 quantity, go with 100 quantity. So make your position sizing less, okay, if the market is not in your direction, right? Now if the market is bullish, if it is also breaking on the upper side, then yeah, of course, this would be one of the stocks, this could be one of those stocks that can drag Nifty on the higher side. So yeah, 2% to 3% momentum can be captured in Bharti Airtel as well. These are my intraday stocks that I'm going to keep for tomorrow, and if I get any more stocks that I'm going to find through the market in the real time, that I will upload here. Just like you can see the other trades I keep on uploading. Right now, talking about my swing trades, that will be Adore Welding, my first stock that I've already taken with some good quantity, some normal quantity. Actually, I'm not taking very good quantity this month. I haven't taken any good quantity except Elecon. I put some good quantity in Elecon, but still like I exited with half of the quantity, and then again it is on the same quantity that I was playing. So Adore Welding is one of those stocks that you should keep your eyes on. It is at a good risk, good supply demand conversion zone on monthly, good supply demand conversion zone on weekly, and if you check the daily time frame now, you will get to know that the stock is making a broadening pattern and also making a symmetrical pattern somewhat like this, and has breaking out, although the breakout is not that good, but I've taken a small position in it. Let's see. The only risk in this trade looks for me to be is 6 to 700% risk from the current market price. Okay, my first target will be 14%, that is 1:2 risk reward ratio. Second target is 24% and the third target is 37%. So looks like that, yeah, we can take some good targets in this particular stock. Looks good to me. The stock looks good to me. Second is no sell. Again, if you open the monthly chart, you will see the monthly supply demand conversion zone here. Again, bullish engulfing candles. See, it breaks down, comes up with power, breaks down, comes up with power. So monthly candles are telling that the stock is bullish. Also at this area, I'm seeing a 1 2 3 nodal breakout here, and then it is retracing back and coming up. So last time it made a confusion candle. So what you can do is, you can plan for a long trade. If it is going down, you can skip the trade, don't short it. Okay, it's not a short trade. So if it closes above this candle on the daily time frame strongly, candle like this or candle like this, okay, so that is a very good side to enter the trade. Or from the current market price also, you can enter the trade with a 25% target and 10% target. You can keep a stop loss of around 3%, 4% from the market price. But if it closes, that will be a better trade, high probability trade. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something today. Hindi analysis will be uploaded with this video only, and Hindi audio video, and links are given only on my Telegram daily. So I hope you will love and enjoy these videos that I'm providing you for free, and giving you this information. Okay, definitely give it a big thumbs up in this video, so that I know that you are liking these videos. Okay, so I can provide more and more content to you guys in future. Thank you so much for supporting me, and we'll see you in the next video that will be coming tomorrow. So stay tuned and have a good trading session tomorrow. Any doubts, you can put it on my Telegram.